Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Lakeport, Michigan, a peaceful lakeside community along the shores of Lake Huron. This small town is known for its beautiful beaches, campgrounds, and laid-back charm that draws visitors all summer long. Lakeport's history dates back to the 1800s, when it began as a lumbering and fishing settlement. Over the years, Lakeport has grown into a favorite spot for families to relax, swim, and enjoy nature. Its most popular destination is Lakeport State Park, with sandy beaches, trails, and a welcoming atmosphere. Whether you're here for the beach, the history, or simply a quiet escape by Lake Huron, Lakeport is a place that invites you to slow down and enjoy the view. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Lakeport, Michigan. Thanks for watching!